Hello, cake family. Let's get started on making our Valentine's Day cake, a little cake for the day of love. We're going to get started by adding a dollop of frosting onto our cake board to allow the first layer of cake to stick to the board. For this, we decided to make 3 6-inch vanilla cakes and serrated the top of each cake for an even flat layer. We're going to add a buttercream border around the top edge of the cake to secure in our mousse filling. And for little festivities, we decided to add in some chocolate chips, vanilla and white chocolate chips and regular chocolate chips, and we're going to smooth out that border to secure in our filling. Now we're going to add in our second cake, add another border, and then top that with our last layer of cake. We're going to keep smoothing that out, and we're going to use my favorite tool. You guys know I love my bench scraper, and we're going to keep smoothing it out, adding more buttercream until we get that evenness that we love. You saw my thumbs up? I love this part. Now we're going to keep smoothing it out. For Valentine's Day, I thought it would be great to use the color pink as our base. So we're going to keep scraping, and then we're going to flip this over. And I want to add some more pink because who doesn't love pink for Valentine's Day, right guys? And we're going to keep smoothing out on adding another hot pink layer of buttercream. And then we're going to use, and you guys have seen this tool before, our Wilton's design to make a design onto the cake. Wilton's design. That makes no sense, right, guys? I know. I'm working real fast. And then we're going to add some sprinkles to it. And I am using, I think, fancy sprinkles that I had saved. And we're just going to add it around each border. And then we're going to add a little fun hearts onto our cake, separating it by like about an inch from each. And we're going to use the Wilton's 21 tip to make little stars around for each heart. Isn't that adorable, guys? I know. I try to make it a little bit fun for the kiddies as well for Valentine's Day. And we're going to keep piping these hearts that we made with our cookie cutter until we have went all around the cake and made it. I made one with a purple and red heart just to make it cute. And then we're going to use our Wilton's tip 1M, and we're going to keep going around in circles with a medium press until we are able to make a nice, beautiful border around. And we're going to do an inside border as well. Keep going around until we've went completely and made our border. And I had some extra strawberries left over, so from another cake, so I wanted to add that to this cake just for a little clean freshness of bursting your mouth with the chocolate mousse. And there you guys have it. That is our Valentine's Day cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for watching, and happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy.